Hello, Wave Country. I'm John Ramsey, and welcome to a holiday special edition of Wave 3 Listens Live. We are here live on location at the Physician Center for Beauty. It's that time of year. Lots of holiday parties and gatherings. Perhaps you haven't seen friends and relatives in a long time, and you want to look your very best. You want to feel your very best, too. We'll talk about all of that. I am joined once again by my co-host for the show, and that is Dr. Sean McGuire here at the Physician Center for Beauty. Happy holidays to you, Doc.
And you, too. Thanks for being with us today. We've got a lot of exciting things to talk about. We're going to be talking about some new and different things here at Physician Center for Beauty. We typically are talking about some of the aesthetic treatments that we do here, talk about some of the skincare products, and also about plastic surgery, of course. And we're going to be talking about some of those things today and some of the specials that we have coming up, but a couple of exciting new things. One in particular is something called BioT, which is a bioidentical hormone program that we've started, and it's exciting for us. It's a large network of physicians that we're part of, and we'll explain it in a little bit. It's a unique way of treating hormone issues for both men and women. We also have partnered with Dr. Lori Warren, who's a board-certified gynecologist who specializes in non-surgical vaginal rejuvenation procedures. So we'll let her talk about that a little bit, and she's also going to have somebody who is a patient that has had some of the treatments, and she can talk about her experience. And then towards the end of the program, I'm going to be doing an injectable procedure for lips, so lip augmentation with a dermal filler called Volbella. And it's something that we've demonstrated in the past. It's kind of neat to be able to see how it's done and to be able to see actually the results, because we'll see those results as we're doing the procedure.
Yeah, it should be an interesting show, and I always like coming out here to the Physician Center for Beauty because it's educational as well. And I promise you, if you watch this show, you'll have a little bit more knowledge in terms of some of the procedures here, and also some of the. I want to talk about BioT a little bit because I've talked to Marilyn Cannon, your skincare expert here, about BioT. But I think it is a natural evolvement of your business, Doc, in that you want people to look better and feel more youthful. Well, why not do that internally as well? So how's that going for you, Doc?
Yeah, that's definitely true. And Marilyn Cannon, who we'll see in just a few moments, it coordinates that program with us. We have a nurse practitioner that's actually doing the procedures with me. And you're right. We would like to think that we can not only make people look better and feel more youthful, but feel more youthful. And as you know, as we age, we lose some of those hormones. The hormone levels get lowered. We'd like to optimize those hormones. So that's something that we're really excited about.
All right, so hang in there with us. Lots of things to come. And again, we'll put the phone number up on there if you have any questions for Dr. McGuire or for Marilyn Cannon. Of course, you can give us a call at 571-5263. In fact, we're going to bring Marilyn Cannon in, and we're going to talk about some of the events and specials. And I say this every time, but it happens every time, is that these get filled up very quickly. So if you're interested in an event or a special, give the Physician Center for Beauty a call or go online, and you can get all the information there. Marilyn Cannon has now stepped in, skincare expert. Welcome back to the show, Marilyn.
Thank you, John.
All right, a number of events and specials. But first of all, it's holiday season. Let's talk a little bit about gift certificates, the ultimate gift of beauty.
This is the ultimate gift, not only for your friends and family and loved ones, but it's also for yourself. So this is a great opportunity. You can purchase a $100 gift card and receive $20 for free. So you can purchase as many as you want for yourself or for loved ones. So it's a great, you can call in or you can go online and purchase these. But I can tell you, this is a great opportunity to think about, what do you need maybe in the future? What do you need next year? Stock up on these, and you're getting $20 for every $100 you spend for free.
Like you said, then you're doing someone else, giving them the gift of beauty, but a little bit for yourself.
Exactly.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Exactly. Or you can do it all for yourself. So you can do it either way. We've got patients buying gift cards for themselves to use next year, and you've got buying them as gifts as well. But it's a perfect gift. It's not going to be returned, and it can be used for any of our services here.
And you and I were talking about if you're getting ready for a special event, a silk peel would be perfect. If you're wanting to look good for a
Yes.
holiday party, tell us about that special.
Silk peel is one of my favorite treatments here. There's absolutely no downtime. It's a great treatment that exfoliates the dead skin cells off the surface of the skin. It also extracts bacteria and debris from the pores. It also, at the same time, infuses a corrective serum, whether it's hydration or for acne or for aging skin, whatever that might be. It's infusing a serum at the optimal time that the skin receives it to get maximal benefit. So the skin is glowing when you leave here. But it is a great treatment for special occasions. Again, there's no downtime, there's no pain involved. It's relaxing, and you look fantastic when you leave here.
And a little bit later in the show, we'll go in the procedure room with Dr. Sean McGuire, and you will witness Volbella. You'll see how it works. You'll see the procedure. We'll talk about how long it lasts. But if you're interested in a little lip service, then we have a special going there as well, right?
Oh, Volbella is a relatively new dermal filler for lip augmentation. It's my favorite one thus far. Volbella is a soft. It gives a really natural look to the lips. So if you're worried about having that duck appearance with your lips, you won't get that with Volbella, or you won't get that with any product here with Dr. McGuire, because he's an expert at lip augmentation. However, but Volbella is specifically designed to be used for the lips, for volumizing and for reducing the vertical lip lines, and it looks fantastic. And again, it looks natural. And this is something you can do right now, and get ready for the holidays.
So you can call Physician Center for Beauty, or you can go online as well, right?
Yes, you can go
Marilyn?
online and purchase, and then we can inject it later. But it's a great opportunity. It's $100 off the first syringe. It's $200 off the second syringe, and generally it takes 2 syringes to treat the lips.
And I want to remind everyone that holiday gift card special, if you spend $100, keep $20 for yourself. So once again, give them a call. These are short-term little windows where you can purchase these specials and events.
Yeah.
So give them a call here at the Physician Center for Beauty. All right, coming up in the next segment, we're going to talk about BioTE. Are your energy levels down? Would you like a little bit more energy for shopping and enjoying yourself this holiday season? Marilyn Cannon's going to stick with me and tell you all about it. We'll be right back. We're coming to you from the Physician Center for Beauty on Wave 3 Listens Live.
Wave 3 News Sunrise.
I'm meteorologist Brian Good. Keep the umbrella handy. You'll be driving right into this. We take getting you prepared personally. One crash still being reported.
This is what you're going to have to deal with.
What to wear and the tie-ups to avoid, because you need accuracy.
Kayla Van Meter's been live on the scene.
Ran to this home to make sure his neighbors were safe.
All the breaking news from John, Lauren, and the team.
Stay in their rooms at this hour.
See exactly what it's like.
Right now.
Expect more right now with Wave 3 News Sunrise from 4:30 to 7.
Many men and women are feeling tired, moody, having difficulty sleeping, gaining weight, and have no desire for intimacy or exercise.
You'll be happy to learn there's an exciting natural solution available, BioTE. These symptoms can be caused by reduced levels of hormones that occur as we age.
BioTE offers a natural solution for men and women to safely and accurately balance hormone levels using tiny cardio-activated pellets.
To learn more, call Physician Center for Beauty, 897-7546.
So you will walk out of the Physician Center for Beauty looking like $1 million. You want to feel like $1 million as well, and that's why Marilyn is here with me once again to talk about BioTE hormone therapy. So first of all, I guess, who is a good candidate for BioTE hormone therapy?
Well, really, just about anyone who's who's actually experiencing fatigue, just not feeling so good. Typically, what happens, we need hormone replacement therapy typically starting at age 30 and beyond. So when you're feeling fatigue, you're having difficulty sleeping, low libido, sexual dysfunction for both men and women. If you're depressed, you experience anxiety. If you are experiencing hot night sweats and hot flashes, all these things are symptoms of low hormone production.
All right. If you have any questions about BioTE, or if you think you might be a candidate, 571-5263. Marilyn Cannon will be happy to address those questions. So why BioTE? There's a lot of options out there now. Why BioTE?
There's a lot of options, and we partnered with BioTE for a reason. We did our homework. We've done hormone replacement therapy in the past, and we disbanded it for numerous reasons. But we decided we felt like we needed a solution for our clients to address aging from the inside out, and And so BioT Medical was a perfect fit for us. This is an organization that is been around for decades. We're involved with a group of 1,500 practitioners across the country who are experts in natural hormone replacement therapy. And Dr. Gary Donovitz, who's a board-certified obstetrician gynecologist, is head of this program and has been a leader and pioneer in natural hormone replacement therapy. And we're part of that network, and we're excited to offer this therapy to our patients. We offer it's pellet therapy. It's natural. Patients do have a choice in hormone replacement therapy. You know, most of our medical practitioners are prescribing Premarin, Provera, Prempro, Androgel, all these synthetic forms of hormones. And synthetic forms typically treat symptoms, but they don't get to the root cause of why we're having those symptoms in the first place. The issue with synthetic hormones is that typically they come from animal parts or horse urine. They're synthetic, so whenever we ingest something in any form into the body that's synthetic, there's an inflammatory response first. So as a result of that, there's many adverse side effects associated with that, which includes increased risk of strokes, blood clotting, as well as cancer. So we chose to offer natural hormone replacement therapy in pellet form for many reasons. Number one, the pellets are natural. They are FDA approved. The processing of the pellets are also FDA monitored. So the product is plant-based. It exactly matches our own human hormones at the molecular level. So that means the body recognizes it as if it were our own human hormones, meaning there's no adverse side effects, there's no inflammatory response, there's only benefits that treat not only our symptoms of low hormone production, but in the long term, we're actually protecting ourselves against age-related disease like osteoporosis, Alzheimer's, dementia, cancer, breast cancer, dementia, and on and on and on. Also treats anxiety and depression. And then also metabolic syndrome. When we're low in hormones, we typically gain weight in the middle, in the belly area. It's hard, it's hard to get rid of no matter what you're doing. So if you're having difficulty with weight loss, it could be due to low hormone production.
So I'm curious now, Marilyn, you've had a little bit of a test sample here. What kind of reaction, what kind of reviews are you receiving from your patients?
Actually fantastic. Our patients are feeling great. And from my own personal experience, I feel like I'm in my 20s again. Yeah. My energy level is consistent all day long. I feel even. My mood is even. I feel fantastic. I'm losing the weight that I was, even though I do everything right, diet and exercise, I was starting to see some weight gain around the middle. So that is dissipating. But my libido's increased. Everything is better. Everything is better. I just feel like I've got a drive and a zest for life that was starting to decline as a result of low hormone production. And I'm hearing that from all our patients, by the way.
There we go. Yeah. So perhaps you're having some of these red flags, low energy levels, etc., maybe a little bit of brain fog. If you are, then maybe BioT hormone therapy is for you. And you're offering a consultation. You're going to waive the consultation fee, correct?
Yes. It's normally a $99 fee. If you mention Wave 3 Listens Live, we will waive that consultation fee. But I encourage you to come in and learn about this. You're going to hear there's a lot of myths out there regarding hormone replacement therapy. We're talking about natural hormone replacement therapy that's safe and effective. It's been around since 1939. There is decades of research that support this therapy for the safety and the efficacy of it. It is the only hormone therapy that I would personally consider for my own self and for my friends and family. So I encourage you to come in and learn about this and get educated, find out whether this is something that's right for you. If you decide you want to go forward with this, then we do an extensive blood panel. We look at everything, and then we do also, so your dosing, your pellet will be a prescription that's specific to your needs. And so our goal is to optimize your hormones to levels where you were in your 20s and 30s. That's when we feel our best. It's when we're at our healthiest. So it's, again, BioT Medical is the leader in natural hormone replacement therapy. We are a part of that network. We're using therapy that is the pellets are FDA approved, and the processing of that pellet is FDA monitored. So we know what we have. I have to say, we've not had one person yet not have great results with this.
All right. So if you think BioT may be for you, no consultation fee. Come to the Physician Center for Beauty and check it out for yourself. Bring questions because, yes, it is an educational process. Coming up here, a brand new partnership with Dr. Lori Morgan. She is a board-certified gynecologist. We'll talk talk to her next. We're coming to you from the Physician Center for Beauty. I'm John Ramsey. She's Marilyn Cannon, and we shall return on Wave 3 Listens Live.
The end of the year is here, and the time to buy is now at the Kia stores, where you get up to $5,000 off MSRP on all remaining 2017 Kias in stock. New 2018 Kia Sorento SUVs are $189 per month, only at the Kia stores.
Frustrated with dentures? Implants at Louisville Oral Surgery is your solution. Seen someone else and think you can't afford implants? Call today to get a second opinion at no charge, including a 3D digital scan. Go to LouisvilleOralSurgery.com now for more.
We know you've been good and waited all year. Watson's holiday sale is finally here. A new spa for mom.
So many to choose.
Like 6-person models from $24.92. With special financing and savings galore, it's the holiday sale at the Watson's Home Store.
It's the final sale of the year at the Kia stores. Get up to $5,000 off MSRP on all remaining 2017 Kias in stock. New 2018 Kia Souls are $119 per month. And we want your trade, even if you owe more than it's worth. Only at the Kia stores.
Welcome back. Coming to you once again from the Physician Center for Beauty. I mentioned a brand new partnership with Dr. Lori Warren, who sits to my right now. And Dr. Lori Warren is a board-certified gynecologist. We're going to talk about Spa V. She has also brought with her one of her patients, who is Cindy, patient friend. I'm assuming you two seem to get along rather well. Yes. So a little bit, first of all, overview. What exactly is Spa V, Dr. Warren?
So Spa V is a unique medical spa concentrating on vaginal health and sexual health for women. And I am a board-certified gynecologist and also a female pelvic medicine specialist and reconstructive surgeon, so I also do surgery.
Interesting. So how new is this procedure?
Well, so we offer many things at Spa V, and I can tell you all about those, but one of the things that we're concentrating on today is the Intima laser treatment for the vagina, and that helps for vaginal rejuvenation, and it's been around a little while. I actually was involved with some of the studies with this particular laser, and we did it to try to turn back the hands of time for women, maybe who couldn't be on hormones. I just heard Marilyn talk about hormonal therapy, and some women, they're just not candidates for that. So as they go through menopause, there's changes in the vagina that can occur, and we can change that with treating them with the laser. And when I was involved in the initial studies, what we found is that we were doing it for postmenopausal women, whether they were on hormones or not, to help with sexual function and painful problems that they were having. And we found that they were coming in and saying, yes, I feel much better, I have more moisture, I have more tone, things are great, but guess what? I'm also not leaking urine. So we were really excited to find that we can also treat leaking of urine with this procedure.
So this is helpful on a number of levels. So Dr. Warren, if you would, how does the procedure start? And I'm going to let you interview Cindy, if you would, because I know every experience is different. You guys obviously familiar with her situation and challenges. So how does it start? Do they call this office?
Right.
Have a consultation with you? Is that how it works?
That's correct, right? And then they can come in and see if they're a candidate, see if it's something they're willing to do. But Cindy, I want to introduce, is my patient that I've known for quite some time, and she doesn't mind me saying she's a breast cancer survivor, and she was not able to have hormones, and because of that her oncologist said, no, you're really not a good candidate for hormones, and she came to me wanting to stay healthy intimately, and I talked to her about the laser treatment, and so I'm just going to ask Cindy about her treatment, and if she doesn't mind telling us both about that.
Well, first of all, we mentioned earlier, Marilyn did Turning Back the Hands of Time, and it certainly does that for you. As a breast cancer survivor, and I know that I'm not, I'm one of many, there are so many of us that until Dr. Warren brought this to town and offered us this option, there really wasn't anything else that we could do to help us turn back those hands of time. And my experience has been phenomenal. Honestly, I can't tell you enough good things about it. It is incredibly easy to do. There's no pain associated with it, and it really does give you back, at least 10 years. It really does turn back the hands of time, and I'm hopeful that will just continue to improve.
So this is interesting in that, first of all, congratulations on your victory over breast cancer.
Thank you.
And I'm so glad that you're healthy and feeling good. But Dr. Warren, the introduction and Spa V is kind of giving you, it's kind of a reborn again kind of thing. You're more youthful. I mean, you look young, and now you actually feel young, right?
I do. I feel great. And honestly, as I said earlier, when you're told, hey, you've got breast cancer, that's alarming, obviously. But when you then also find out that there's really nothing that you can do medically to improve the aging process, that's a major bummer. I don't know another way to say it. And Dr. Warren actually is a godsend, an answer to a prayer. A lot of us out here are wanting to experience life as we always had previously. And through the options that she offers at Spa V, women can have that part of their life back.
Wow. I'm so glad you're here, Cindy, because Dr. Warren, I think you'd agree, it's one thing for you and I to discuss Spa V, but someone who's been through it, and there's so many like her. Other reviews, obviously rave reviews from Cindy, but what do you hear from other patients,
Right,
Dr. Warren?
Yes, thank you for asking. I've had many patients do it for not just sexual function and sort of hormonal aging, if you will, but also for urinary problems. And as a urogynecologist, it's really nice to have an alternative, non-surgical way to treat women. So I've had patients come to me for urinary leakage and say that this is actually life-changing for them. They don't have to know where all the restrooms are in town. They're not getting up several times at night to use the restroom. So it works on a lot of different levels, and we try to individualize that for each patient and do the appropriate treatment for them. But I am glad that Cindy explained that it's not a painful treatment. There's not really any downtime to speak of, and patients are tolerating it really well. They're kind of getting their life back. The CO2 type of energy has been around for years. Surgeons like Dr. McGuire have used it on other areas to rejuvenate tissue, and now it's wonderful that we can use it in a unique way in the vagina.
Boy, both you, Dr. Warren, you and Dr. Sean McGuire, are so respected in this community.
Thank you.
For those who want more information, where can they go?
Right, so to learn about the things that we offer at Spa V, which includes the laser, also using PRP or the O-shot for sexual function. We're doing cosmetic surgery in the vaginal and vulvar area as well, again, to make things more youthful, help patients out in that way. So again, individualize it. You can go to spa-v.com, and you can also call here at Physician Center for Beauty and make an appointment with me. Come see me.
All right. Ladies, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. Once again, Spa V. It's a brand new innovation here, a new partnership at the Physician Center for Beauty. Coming up, we're going to go in the procedure room with Dr. Sean McGuire. We shall return after these messages on Wave 3 Listens, and yes, we are live.
My philosophy on plastic surgery is always to keep things subtle and natural looking. Body contouring surgery can enhance a woman's self-confidence so that she looks as good as she feels. I'm Dr. Sean McGuire of Physicians Center for Beauty.
Hurt in a car? Call Sam Aguiar.
I'm Sam Aguiar. Our law firm handles hundreds of cases every year. Most of our cases never need to go to trial, but if it's what our client needs and deserves, we make it happen. Over the past few years, we've taken more deserving cases to trial than any injury firm in Kentucky. If it's the right thing to do, we're not afraid to do it, and the insurance companies know it.
Hurt in a car? Call Sam Aguiar. 888-8888.
I'm Tom Owen. Join me in supporting Farmington Historic Plantation's fundraising campaign. Your gifts will help support Farmington's community and educational programs on its scenic 18-acre site, providing a fun place to learn about a historic hemp plantation and our connection to Abraham Lincoln. Help preserve Farmington's future as one of Louisville's most important historic treasures.
Please visit farmingtonhistoricplantation.org.
Welcome back. We're in the procedure room here at the Physician Center for Beauty. Dr. Sean McGuire has rejoined us, and the name of the procedure is Volbella. So a quick overview, doctor, if you would.
So Volbella is an injectable filler that we use in the lips primarily. I really like it for the lips. It's the best filler that I've used. I've been doing lips now for many years. Volbella works really well to augment the lips. It can help define the lip border. It can help with lip lines, and it lasts a little bit longer than some of the other fillers, so it typically lasts for about a year, which is longer than some of the other products that we use in the lips.
Yep. And Marilyn Cannon was saying a very natural look. Is this what you like about the product, Doc?
I do, and that also has to do with technique, and the technique that I've been doing now for some time. But this product does have a more natural feel and look than some of the other products.
All right, I'm going to let you go to work here. Again, Physician Center for Beauty, Volbella, and they do have a special that we'll put up on the screen here. So first step, Doc.
So we've put some numbing cream on Alex's lips, and we've used some ice, so that helps. There's lidocaine in the filler, so it kind of numbs as I'm injecting as well. So I'm just going right underneath the lip mucosa, as we call it.
And the results will be pretty immediate.
Yeah, that's the neat thing about these fillers is you see it right away. So you'll be able to see what we've done on this side and compare it to the other side.
Now, is there a process or a little time frame there, a window, where it'll become a more natural look, or will this be pretty instantaneous?
Yeah, so, I mean, initially you'll see a nice improvement in the volume of the lips. There'll be some swelling, of course, for a couple of days. Volbella has a little bit less swelling than some of the other fillers. But after a couple of days, most of the swelling is resolved. It takes about a week for everything to kind of settle. You can see already, if you look at this side compared to the other side that we haven't yet done, the improvement in the volume there. It's subtle, but it's going to be a nice look for her. It's not going to be overdone.
How long would the procedure last, Doc?
So, the treatment itself just takes me 10 minutes to do both sides, both upper and lower. But this will last about a year, which is kind of nice because some of the other fillers last 6 months, 9 months. This lasts a bit longer. I'll put some ice there.
Doc, who is a good candidate? You mentioned the thinning of the lips is kind of a natural part of aging. With that being said, smokers as well, the thinning of the lips, I guess just from pursing your lips from smoking, correct?
Yeah, so the thinning of the lips happens with age, with time, and with smoking, obviously, we get those, we can get those lines around the lip and the lip border, so those smokers' lines, we can address those. So it can be used for older people and for smokers, but also for a younger person that just wants a bit more fullness.
And I would think also there are some who just genetically did not have full lips, and they've desired that their entire lives, and now it's this easy. It's this quick.
That's right. So we'd like to enhance the lip shape that a person has, and she's got a nice shaped lip. Alex has really nice lips anyway. We're just kind of enhancing what she already has. I'm going to go along the lower lip on this side here to show you what we're able to do here. We want to, I like to keep it balanced. I don't really want to just address the upper lip because a lot of times people focus on that, and if you don't also focus on the lower lip, things can get out of balance. So we want it to look natural.
And once again, the name of the procedure is Volbella. If you need a consultation, they can come in, and you're more than happy to do that, right, doctor?
That's right. So you just call to schedule for a consultation for lip augmentation or fillers, and we can do the consultation as well as the treatment at the same time.
Once again, the Physician Center for Beauty. Give them a call today. We'll see you tomorrow right here on Wave 3 Listens Live. Bye-bye.